and I'm doing it for my daughter.
Frank, there's a baby behind the bar that desperately needs tickling. Tickle the baby, Frank. Tickle the baby, JJJJJJ.
You gave Fatty the business last night.
Why'd y'all stop cleaning? Is there...
Chris, if Trish was the last woman on Earth and she chose you, would you have sex with her to repopulate the world? LOL.
Excessive need for comfort is absolutely disgusting. Learn to love some pains or die without ever living.
Facts, Christopher.
I've lived with a lot of pain in my life. So how about I get greedy and start living for me?
Seems like you're lashing out, Chris. What's up with that?
Nah.
You are. Why are you lashing out?
Just tired. I couldn't just stay up till late time and try to tell me something, man. I'm fucking tired.
Chris, you have to fight every Pokemon League champion with one team. Who's on it? Make explanation last for 40 minutes.
Chris! You don't have to get up.
Craighead's reviving. Chris, what are your fans called? Oh, I forgot you don't have any. Craighead's reviving.
You put your joint in this. I don't remember doing that.
So good.
I don't remember doing that. And you're on my team. Okay, you want my fucking team? Alright.
Chris, you will never know the loving embrace of a woman as cute, supportive, and spirited as Trish. You will die alone.
Happily so, too. That being said, my team! First off, you got the powerhouse. The one that deals with electric types just as easily as it can deal with fire types. That's Quagsire!
Lashing out because I'm a cranky baby. I need a tickle to help me relax. A relaxing tickling session with the bros.
Anyhow, moveset would be Earthquake, Toxic, Recover, and Surf. Or no, Scald. Scald's a better move. Teammate number 2. This motherfucker dominated way back in the day. Its Pokedex entry literally states it is the legendary Pokemon Arcanine!
Tickle the baby!
Rocket, Fire Blast,
Tickle the baby!
Flamethrower, Street
Tickle
Speed,
the baby!
and Wild Charm!
Tickle the baby! 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 Wee wee wee! Tickle the baby! 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 Tickle the baby!
Bro, back off!
Tickle the baby! Tickle the baby!
Dude, back off! Frank!
Tickle the baby! Tickle the baby!
Dude, stop! Ah, fuck! Ah, fuck!
Faked an injury. Tickle the baby. Tickle the
Dude,
baby.
stop!
Tickle the baby.
Frank!
Tickle the baby. Tickle
Enough!
the baby. Tickle the baby.
Dude! Stop!
Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby.
Stop! Frank, stop! Frank, stop!
Frank, stop.
Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby. Tickle the baby.
I just need a little tickle. Please tickle me more, please, Frank. Yes,
Stop, dude! Stop! Stop, dude! Fuck! Dude! Stop, dude! I will fucking dump. I will fucking dump it. You leave me alone, I'll leave it alone. You leave me alone, I'll leave it alone.
Frank, stop it before he comes.
I said fucking stop!
Tickle, 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 tickle the fat.
Get my pen back? No. I need it. It's mine. It's mine.
Yeah, I never got my pens back either, bitch.
Tickle the baby. What'd you do with it? Is it in here? Did you drop it down there? That's fine. Oh, fuck. I tickled the baby. See you. Believe it or not, I love that baby.
Yeah.
Where'd my weed pen go? Did you see it? Dumped the liquor. Part of the liquor. Oh. It hurt when I fell.
Yeah, that shit.
Yeah, that was
I fucked up my ankle the first day.
That smells bad over there.
It's probably pretty funny though.
It was a little funny.
that was
The
intense.
Tickle the Baby is the best shit.
Tickle the baby is a good one. It's like trying to throw elbows. Trying to crush me. Dude, stop! Frank, stop! Just giving some sanctimonious fucking speech about make the most of your opportunity. Walking around with his dick out. Oof. I don't know what happened to it.
Follow Skitsy_VA on YouTube and Twitter.
Vax.
Twitch.
Skitsy_VA. Follow now.
Do it.
Tap inward. I think he's like got some weird thing with like I kissed you on the cheek, we kissed on the cheek or something. Now he's like,
So he's not mad at either of us, but he's not.
but he's you can when he says that you can tell he's mad. What did he do? I dumped. What was it?
You dumped at least like a good.
Yeah,
I'd say
that
like
was what I
half
slipped
cup.
on.
Say a half cup. Tickle the baby.
Tickle the baby,
Are
tickle
your,
the baby.
Are your shoes non-slip?
My shoes don't have good traction.
Yeah. And it's right here.
You can see right here.
Yeah, that's not great.
It's not the best. Maybe maybe he has the pen. I don't know. I just didn't want somebody to get it that shouldn't have it, I guess. It's whatever. Is there any zips up here?
Closing curly opening curly bracket closing curly bracket opening curly bracket closing curly bracket opening curly bracket closing curly bracket opening curly.
No, it's something either right here or back there that's like open. No, that's got a top. Was it that?
Yeah.
Oh, it was this. The tequila?
Trish, you should kiss Frank on the cheek again and get Tay too. Make sure Chris sees it's pretty funny.
That was a cigar.
Oreo socks back here, Greg.
Yeah, I could only find one.
There's two.
I'm glad they gave me sandals so I can get around this crack house.
Yeah, barefoot would not be fun.
I was walking around with just socks for like a good 6-7 days.
Damn.
Yeah, because
You're tough. You're tougher than me.
I didn't want my good shoes to get messed up.